How to verify your YouTube account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So let's say you're trying to upload a longer video than 15 minutes, or maybe you want custom thumbnails or to go live. Well, YouTube's not giving you any of that unless you verify your account first. And the good news is it takes less than 2 minutes. So let me show you exactly how. For that, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC, and then in the search bar you want to go ahead and search for youtube.com/verify. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and pick your country from the drop down list. This just helps you to send you the code correctly. Now choose how you want to receive the verification code. You have two options: text message or automated voice call. Enter your phone number and don't worry, YouTube won't spam you. This is one-time verification and then you will get a 6-digit code instantly. Punch it and hit submit, and that's it, you are verified. Now that you are verified, you can upload videos over 15 minutes, add custom thumbnails, start live streaming, appeal content ID claim, and down the line enable monetization. And that is all it takes. 2 minutes, one code, and now your YouTube content is fully unlocked. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.